If you want to install plugins in DaVinci Resolve 20, especially .drfx files like templates and macros, this video will walk you through the quickest way to do it. Whether you downloaded a title pack, a transition preset, or a macro bundle, the process is very simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, editing tutorials, and workflow shortcuts. Let's get into it. First, find the .drfx file you downloaded. A .drfx file is usually a template or macro package for DaVinci Resolve, and in many cases, you can just double-click it to start the installation. If the file has not been extracted yet, you have two options. You can either extract the zip file first, or you can open the .drfx file directly from inside the zip folder, depending on how it was packaged. Once you switch over to DaVinci Resolve, a pop-up should appear asking if you want to install the template bundle. This is the confirmation screen that means Resolve has detected the plugin or template correctly. At this point, simply click Install to continue. DaVinci Resolve will then add the template bundle into the program automatically. After that, it's a good idea to restart DaVinci Resolve so the new plugin or template can load properly. Close the app if needed, then open it again and wait for it to finish launching. Once Resolve is fully open, you can find your newly installed items inside the effects library. Depending on what you installed, they may appear under titles, transitions, or effects. This is where you'll browse and drag them into your timeline, just like any other built-in asset. If you downloaded multiple .drfx files, repeat the same process for each one. Double-click, install, restart, and then check the effects library to confirm everything is there. If something doesn't show up right away, make sure the file was installed successfully and that you restarted the software after the installation. So that's how to install plugins in DaVinci Resolve 20, using .drfx files for templates and macros. It only takes a few steps, and once you've done it once, the process becomes very easy. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.